You seek success. But do you even know what success is? Is it the applause of the crowd, the weight of gold in your hand, the power to command others? If that is what you chase, I must warn you, you are building a house on sand. Real success begins within. You do not become great by chance, but by choice. Each day gives you the opportunity to rule yourself or be ruled by everything outside of you. If your emotions lead you, you're not free. If the opinions of others shake you, you are still a prisoner. Train your mind to remain still in the middle of chaos. Train your soul to remain humble in the face of praise. That is strength. You waste more time fearing failure than it would take to face it. And yet, the only true failure is to live without purpose. Ask yourself, what are you truly afraid of? Is it the pain of falling or the responsibility of rising? You will suffer. Life is made of trials. But suffering does not make you weak. Your response to it does. Do not run from discomfort. It is the forge in which greatness is made. Discipline is your sword. Without it, you will be lost in every pleasure, every distraction, every easy path. Success demands consistency. Show up, even when no one is watching, especially then. Character is formed in the quiet moments, when no one sees what you choose to do. Control your desires. The more you want, the more power the world has over you. Do not chase more. Learn to need less. The man who is content with little is truly rich. The man who always needs more is forever poor. And stop comparing yourself. Another man's path is not yours. You will never find peace trying to walk in someone else's shadow. Instead, walk your path with courage, with clarity, with calm. What others gain or lose is none of your concern. Reflect daily. Ask yourself, did I live well today? Did I honor my time? Did I master myself? These are the only questions that matter. For time, time, is your most precious possession. You trade it for nonsense far too easily. Guard it like a treasure. Know this, people will mock you. They will call your calmness weakness, your silence arrogance, your detachment coldness. Let them. You were not born to explain yourself to fools. You were born to rise above them, quietly. Be kind, but do not be soft. Be firm, but never cruel. Be brave enough to walk alone when truth demands it. The path of virtue is narrow and difficult, but it leads to a life no crowd can give you. So, stand tall, speak less, think more, and when in doubt, return to yourself, for the answers you seek are already within you. Success is not something you win. It is something you become.